Hello and welcome to Family Fun Night Gingerbread House Building. Don't forget to sign up for our winter reading program and Read to Me program. Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Missy with Lone Star College Sci-Fair in Harris County Public Library, and I am here for a fun with family night. I am taking our normal in-person gingerbread house cottage decorating program, and I am showing you how to do it at home with all the things that I normally do at the library. So we have graham crackers, I have icing, which I'm going to show you how to make, and then I've got candy. I don't have it out in front of me right now, but you'll see in a minute. All right, so let's see how we can make all of this into our cottage. Okay, let's learn how to make the cottage. For this, you're going to need 4 graham crackers. The first 2 graham crackers you're just going to break in half. See the dotted line? Just break them in half. Now the tricky part comes, how do we make the pitch of the roof? So you're going to have 1 long graham cracker. You're going to use your other ones as guiding lines. You're going to find the diagonal all the way down, and then you're going to saw your knife back and forth very carefully. You don't cut all the way through, just enough that you're going to have a little bit of a line there, and that makes it perfect to snap it. Then, to make the other side, measure it on the diagonal, and once you get that perfect, you can do the same thing. You're going to saw it back and forth just enough that it's almost through, but it creates the little line you can see there, and then snap, and you've got your sides of your house. Now you've got the other 4 graham crackers, and that is going to be your rooftop and the other sides of your house. So we love graham crackers, so it's very easy to be able to make this because we have graham crackers already sitting around the house. I have powdered sugar, so we can make this icing. And I'm going to show you the recipe to make royal icing on your own. All right, super easy. It holds up. It's the perfect glue for this cottage. Now to make the icing, you're going to need 4 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of meringue powder, and 5 tablespoons of warm to lukewarm water. You're going to whiz that up, and what you're going to do is it's going to double in volume until the shine is gone, and then you'll also see you have a nice stiff peak, just like that. All right, now it's time. Now you know how to cut the graham crackers. You also know how to make the royal icing, the special glue. So now let's learn how to put the cottage together, and then it's the fun part. It's time to decorate. All right, so now for the construction. You're going to take the side that has the point on the end, and you're going to put a little bit of icing on both sides. You're going to be able to use your other the square crackers to be able to make the sides of your house. Do the same thing on each side, and when you do that, you'll be able to kind of line them up, stick it together. That glue is perfect, and then we're going to do the same thing for the rooftop. Just put a little bit on, smoosh our graham cracker on top, do it to the other side, and best to let it sit for a few minutes so it can dry before you do anything. It will harden like a rock. Now, I need to add a little bit to the top here so it looks like a snowy rooftop, and well, I've got to make 2 more. I've got 3 boys coming. Here we go. Let's see how fast I can do it. This is a much smaller scale than what I normally do at the library. We make normally 100 houses, but today I only need to make 3. Okay, so now that we have our gingerbread houses put together and we are all ready to go, I'm just gonna let mine dry for just a little bit before I let the boys go ahead and decorate. Now, super easy for the boys, I put icing just in quick, easy Ziploc bags. It makes it so simple, so easy, And if they explode out the side and whatnot, I can just put them in another Ziploc. It's not a big deal. And the boys are going to have a lot of candy to be able to decorate a little house with. But super easy. I've got plenty more graham crackers, so if they need another house, I can just whip one up in a jiffy. All right, I hope that you like this and you try this at home. If you make this, I'd love to see a picture of what your cottage has looked like. Okay? Bye guys, happy reading, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, any kind of holidays that you have in there. Enjoy. Bye. All right, so here's what the boys got to do. Ready? What are we making?
A gingerbread house!
I had quite the spread of candy for them to choose to be able to put on their little house. And here they go. They're off. They are going to use that icing bags and be able to put all that glue or royal frosting on the houses. They got pretty creative. They used a lot of things. We had leftover Halloween candy and lots of other little things, so they got to make their houses. I also used a little bit of 2 extra graham crackers for the bottom, so that way they had something else to build on. The boys have something to say.
Merry Christmas!
Thanks for watching. I really hope that you do try this at home. Don't forget to like and share.